Hello everyone! Today we're doing something special with you. Today we're testing completely free fuel. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. So let's get started. Danger do not attempt. If you try this, you do so at your own risk. Safety precautions mandatory. So, is there a way to completely clean our environment of this plastic and actually benefit from it? Today we're testing a project that will meet a major need. The main materials we need are simple: an air cylinder, which is basically a metal container, and a pipe system. In the first step, we fill this metal cylinder with all the plastic waste we've collected and shredded. We set up a lid system on top of the cylinder that we can seal tightly after placing the plastic inside. Then, we integrate a pipe system that will extend out through the lid of the cylinder. We run this pipe through a bottle filled with cold water. As the heated plastic vapor passes through the pipe, it reacts to the cold water and turns into fuel. We connect the end of the pipe to the empty bottle where the fuel will be collected. All connections are complete. The system has locked together perfectly. I fired up the bottom of the iron pot filled with plastic. 20 minutes. The wait has begun. Inside the cylinder, intense heat melts the plastic, darkening its color and changing its structure into petroleum. A dramatic reaction begins in the cold water bottle. When the hot vapor hits the water, it starts to bubble and fizz. All connections are complete. The system has locked together perfectly. The laws of physics come into play. The vapor passing through the cold water condenses into liquid petroleum, meaning fuel. Droplets form inside the pipe. And there it is. Our liquid fuel starts slowly dripping through the pipe and into the final bottle. After 20 minutes, we can see a pretty good amount of raw fuel has collected at the bottom of the plastic bottle. Here it is, raw fuel produced from trash. It's not pure, but it's definitely a flammable and usable petroleum-based fuel. We pour the fuel onto the concrete and hold the lighter to it. It ignites and burns instantly. We pour the fuel onto the concrete and hold the lighter to it. It ignites and burns instantly. This was just a small sample of what we made at home. We made free fuel from trash. What should the next crazy idea be? Let's meet in the comments.